Ladies and gentlemen, this is part 2 of number 6. I brought the grid back up so you can see actually what we're doing here. What we're trying to do is we're trying to find, this is Kate's house, this is Ben's house. Somewhere right in about here is Jason's house. Jason's, right? But we don't know exactly where it is. It's probably going to be somewhere right around in here, right? In a straight line. If we drew a straight line between Kate and Ben's house, it'd probably be somewhere right in here. But we actually need an X value and a Y value to tell Mr. G, Coach G, exactly where it is. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to use the midpoint formula. And the midpoint formula says M equals X sub 2 plus X sub 1 divided by 2. That gives us our X. And then we're going to also have Y sub 2 plus Y sub 1 divided by 2. Okay, now let me demystify that, and that'll give us our Y. All right, so all that means, what is our X values on this grid right here between Ben and Kate's house? Well, we have, what is the X value right here? Well, we already found it when we found the distance, right? So let's find the X, right? So, right, we're going to find the X. So X sub 2. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 6 plus what? What's this X value right here? It's -1, -2, plus -2. Right? And we're going to divide that by 2. And that will give us our X value. All right? So what is 6 plus -1? Well, that's 4 divided by 2. So we know 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we know that our X value is going to be a 2. But now we have to find our Y value, right? And the way we find the Y value is right here. Well, what is the Y sub 2 right here? Well, it's up 2. So we have 2 plus, and what's the Y value right here? Well, it's actually down. So that's going to be a negative number, isn't it? So it's -1, -2, -3, -4. So 2 plus -4, right? And then when we do that math, we have to divide it by 2, just right, because that's what our formula is. So what's 2 plus -4? Well, it's -2, right? So 2, if I have $2 and you take 4 from me, I still owe you $2. So it's -2 divided by 2. What's -2? -2 divided by 2? Well, it's -1, right? So our points, our X and Y value is 2, -1. Well, let's see if that even looks right. So we're trying to find the midpoint between this and this, right? The midpoint between those two houses. Well, where would 2, -1 be on the map? Well, we'd go 2 to the right, and we'd go down -1. And I'm going to do that in a different color. Does that look like midpoint between Ben's house and Kate's house? It absolutely does. I hope I didn't go through that too fast. Again, all we do is we take our X value on this one, our X value on this one, add them together. That's what I did here, right here. And then divided by 2, that gives us our X value. And then I took our Y value on this one and our Y value on this one, I added them together and I divided by 2. And you do that math and you get -1. So that gave us our coordinate points for the midpoint between Ben's and Kate's house. I hope that helps. Love you guys. Miss you. Keep sending me those pics, and I'll try to make videos. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Must be getting tired. You guys know how I am. Man, I miss you guys. You guys brought me so much joy. Miss you guys. Hope this is helping. Love you.